Standing pumping crossover. Face the chair, hold onto the vertical poles, and press the pedal down to step onto it with both feet. Place one foot near the outside edge of the pedal near the front and step the inside foot down to the floor behind the other foot, so it's in line with the back edge of the chair. Holding onto the vertical pole and opposite hand on the hip to help remind the hips to square off, pump in a very slow controlled motion, digging your heel into the pedal throughout. This prevents the pedal from snapping up. As you pump, think of growing taller in your standing leg and pulling your abs in on that side in order to help square off the hips and pull that hip up towards its same armpit. Again, it's very important to dig your heel into the pedal throughout the exercise to help control the motion. Make sure that your knee doesn't come up any higher than thigh parallel to the ceiling. This is not good for the knees.